Good morning, everyone. Today, in this session, we discuss about the computer graphics and its application. So, first, what are the overview in this computer graphics systems? So, introductions of computer graphics and its applications, video display devices, reference cathode, and then ray tubes, raster scan displays, random scan displays, color CRT monitors, direct use storage tubes and flat panel displays, raster scan systems, and then random scan system, and then input devices and hard copy devices, and then graphical softwares. So in that part, today we discuss about introductions of computer graphics and its applications. So let's begin by understanding what computer graphics are. In simple terms, computer graphics refers to the process of creating an image or visuals using a computer. These visuals can range from simple graphs to complex 3D models used in engineering and then animations. So computer graphics involves technologies like the process, transformations and presentations uh, in a visual form. So what are the highlights of the computer graphics means nowadays a computer graphics are integral part of our lives. So from the user interfaces in smartphones to animations in TV commercials and then movies, it's hard to imagine a world without them. It enables the transformation of raw data into visual forms, making information easier to comprehend. So in the definition part, so the computer graphics is an art of drawing pictures on computer screens with the help of programming. It involves computations, creation and manipulations of data. In other words, we can say that computer graphics is a rendering tool for generation and manipulation of images. So the interactive and passive graphics are the non-interactive or passive computer graphics. We know that like there are two types, one is a non-interactive and then another one is a interactive computer graphics. So the first one is a non-interactive computer graphics in the sense for the first we have non-interactive or passive graphics. In this type the user cannot change or manipulate the image once is produced. An example would be this title or graphics shown in the television. It's one-way communication where the computer graphics the images and the user only views it. Interactive graphics, the second type is interactive graphics. Here the user has control over the displayed image and can manipulate it real time. A great example of this would be the ping pong game where the player can move the paddle in the response. The game visuals interacting graphics are essential modern user interfaces, gamings and designing tool. So let's moving the applications of computer graphics search. So the computer graphics search like graphical user interfaces, business presentations graphics, cartographic and then weather maps, satellites imaging and photo enhancement, media imaging and enhancing drawings, typographic architecture and then art, training, entertainment, simulation and modeling. So these are the places nowadays they are using computer graphics. The first one is a computer graphics user interfaces. It's like a graphics mouse oriented paradigm which allows the user to interact with the computers. The second part is a business presentation graphics. It's a kind of picture is worth a thousands of words. Because a picture it's a presentation graphics are used to convey complex data in the form of graphs and charts. Like cartographic and weather mapping, it's a computer graphics are used in map making a weather forecasting to display geographical and climate data in a real time. Like medical imaging in healthcare, in advanced imaging technologies such as MRI and CAT scans help doctors examine the human body without invasive procedures. So in the next one, engineering drawing search. In architecture and engineering, the 3D models have replaced traditional blueprints and enabling designs to create and modify, visualize their projects and digitalize. So, and then art and entertainment and graphics field. In entertainment, computer graphics are the art of the heart of video games and animated films and providing a visual impressive experiences. So the transitioning to the evaluation and the impact of. So now let's take a moment to see how the computer graphics have evolved over time. So initially simple 2D line drawings were used, but today we have increasing realistic 3D graphics thanks to advanced algorithms to hardware and then improvements. So the next class we discuss about the video display devices. Once again, thank you for all.